Ever wondered if a simple fruit could rejuvenate your kidneys? Let's delve into the world of cranberries, a vibrant fruit known not just for its tart flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. In this video, we'll explore how cranberries are linked to improved kidney function and how they aid in detoxifying this vital organ. These little red gems pack a punch when it comes to flushing out unwanted toxins and supporting overall kidney health. Dive into the science of cranberries and discover their kidney-boosting powers. What makes cranberries a superfruit for your kidneys? Well, nestled within each tart little berry is a powerhouse of bioactive components that play a significant role in kidney and urinary tract health. One of the most notable of these components is proanthocyanidin. Proanthocyanidins are remarkable because they possess a unique ability to prevent harmful bacteria, primarily E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the bladder and urinary tract. This action is crucial because it stops infections before they start, allowing the urinary system to flush out potential pathogens naturally and effectively. Further diving into the science, research has consistently shown that regular intake of cranberries significantly reduces the frequency of urinary tract infections, or UTIs. These infections are not only painful, but can also lead to more severe kidney problems if left untreated. A study published in the Journal of Urology observed that women who consumed cranberry products daily had a 40% reduction in UTI occurrences compared to those who did not. Moreover, cranberries are rich in antioxidants and other phytonutrients that aid in reducing inflammation, a common precursor to chronic kidney diseases. These antioxidants also help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, supporting overall kidney function and health. So, cranberries not only taste good, but they're your kidney's best friends in fighting infections. This simple yet effective mechanism provided by these vibrant berries can be a natural adjunct to maintaining urinary tract and kidney health. Don't just take our word for it, let's hear what the experts say. When it comes to the benefits of cranberries for kidney health, nephrologists and nutritionists are quite enthusiastic. Dr. Helena Smith, a renowned nephrologist, explains, cranberries contain unique compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help reduce the adhesion of certain bacteria to the urinary tract walls. This can significantly lower the risk of urinary tract infections, which, if frequent, can lead to severe kidney problems. Nutritionist John Carter adds, beyond infection control, cranberries are a powerhouse of antioxidants. These help in reducing oxidative stress, which is crucial for maintaining overall kidney function. However, both experts caution about overconsumption, especially for those with existing kidney conditions. Dr. Smith advises, patients with kidney stones or those at risk should moderate their intake of cranberries as they contain oxalates, which can contribute to stone formation. With expert backing, the role of cranberries in kidney health is undeniable. Ready to add cranberries to your diet? These vibrant berries aren't just for Thanksgiving anymore. Let's dive into some delicious and simple ways to make cranberries a regular part of your meals. First, consider cranberry juice, but opt for the unsweetened kind to avoid extra sugar. It's refreshing, hydrating, and packed with nutrients, perfect for starting your day or as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Next, dried cranberries are a fantastic addition to any pantry. Toss them into oatmeal, sprinkle over a salad, or mix into homemade trail mix for a burst of flavor and a touch of sweetness. For those who prefer the whole fruit, fresh or frozen cranberries can be cooked down into a sauce with a bit of orange zest and honey. This not only makes a great side dish, but can also be swirled into yogurt or spread on toast. Here's a quick recipe to try. Blend a cup of fresh cranberries with a banana, a handful of spinach, and a cup of almond milk for a nutritious smoothie. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can be delicious and beneficial. Let's quickly recap the incredible benefits of cranberries for your kidneys. Delving into the vibrant world of cranberries, it's clear that these small fruits are mightier than one might initially think. Known primarily for their role in preventing urinary tract infections, cranberries contain compounds that inhibit harmful bacteria from adhering to the bladder and urinary tract walls. This action not only helps in warding off infections, but also supports overall kidney health by reducing the burden on these vital organs. Experts in nutrition and kidney health have weighed in, advocating for the inclusion of cranberries in our daily diet. Their advice underscores the fruit's preventative capabilities and its role in promoting a healthier urinary system. Incorporating cranberries into your diet is wonderfully simple. Whether it's drinking unsweetened cranberry juice, tossing dried cranberries into a salad, or cooking them into a sauce. There are numerous delicious ways to enjoy the health benefits of this powerful fruit. Embrace the power of cranberries and give your kidneys the care they deserve.